Hey there! Today we're going to delve into an interesting problem that can occur when working with custom enums in Python. The problem we're facing involves having elements in a custom enum with different names but the same value. This leads to unexpected behavior when trying to list all the members of the enum. Now, let's talk about the solution to this tricky issue. By defining a new metaclass and subclass of enum, we can override the default behavior of listing the enum members and ensure that all distinct names are returned. The key here is to create a new metaclass, MyEnum type, that includes a custom __iter___ method to handle the iteration of enum members. Then we define a base class, MyEnum base, that uses this metaclass, and finally, we create our custom enum, MyEnum, utilizing the base class. With this setup in place, calling list MyEnum will now correctly return all the distinct names of the enum members. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of dealing with custom enums in Python, where elements have different names but the same value. By implementing a new metaclass and subclass of enum, we've overridden the default behavior to ensure all distinct names are included when listing the enum members. I hope you found the solution helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe for more content, give the video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time. Happy coding!